Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna talk about the Eastwest Platinum Mastercard. So, paano nga ba ako nagkaroon ng card na to? Actually, hindi ko siya in-applyan. Bigla lang nilang dineliver sa akin. I guess it's because I currently have an Eastwest credit card and okay naman yung paggamit ko. I always pay my bills on time and I have a good credit standing. More than a year ko na din ginagamit yung card na yun. It's the Eastwest Titanium Mastercard. I've already made a video about that card, so check it out here. If you want to know more about credit scores and credit standing, I'll share that on a separate video, so stay tuned. Let's start with the unboxing. So ito siya. I received a parcel. Let's see what it looks like inside. So we have an envelope. Inside it, you'll see a welcome letter, credit card details like yung limit, cash advances, other important information, perks, terms and conditions, and of course, the card itself. I've seen other videos na may kasamang virtual card, but for me, wala akong natanggap. But it says here sa perks na meron ngang virtual card. I don't know, maybe hindi na sila nag-i-issue ng physical virtual card or baka isa-send separately because that's how it was sa BPI. Sineparate nila yung virtual card and yung primary card. But I don't know, update ko na lang kayo about that. Okay, so the reason they sent me this card is actually here. It says here, "Dear card holder, we recognize your outstanding credit performance and are delighted to increase your credit limit by offering you an additional credit card." So as a welcome gift, meron din kasamang 2,000 pesos na cash credit pag na-reach ko yung first 4,000 pesos single or accumulated receipt within 60 days pagka-activate ko ng card. And marareflect siya on my billing statement. So let's open it. Medyo sticky siya. I need to clean it because it has tape. But this is what it looks like. Ayan siya guys. I finally removed the sticky residue on the card. First impression, it has a sleek design. It has the platinum feel, platinum color scheme, and it definitely feels premium compared to other cards. And yeah, it has the contactless feature, so tap to pay is available. If you do want to apply for this card, you could go to their website or go directly to the branch. The first one is free lifetime membership. So, walang annual fee na babayaran. This applies to the principal card and all supplementary cards. Priority Pass membership. It gives you access to over 1,300 airport lounges worldwide, regardless of the type of airline or ticket that you have. You do have to pay though. So, the lounge is $27, but if you reach 100,000 pesos worth of spend on your tickets or international purchases during your trip, you can refund the $27. Meron ding free travel insurance for you and your family up to 20 million pesos. Just make sure that when you book the tickets, you use this card. You also get premium perks and Mastercard priceless experiences. You can enjoy exclusive deals for top local spots and luxurious experiences around the world, like dining, travel, shopping, wellness, all through the Priceless Cities program. Just check priceless.com for the full list. With Mastercard Concierge Services, you get 24/7 worldwide concierge services for reservations, bookings, and travel support. This isn't free though, but you do have the access. Meron ding a free Eastwest Platinum Mastercard virtual card for additional security and convenience when shopping online. Meron itong ibang card number, expiration date, and card validation code, yung number sa likod ng card. And it's assigned a lower credit limit versus yung regular card nyo. Meron ding platinum rewards. So we earn 1 platinum reward point for every 40 pesos spent. And the points can be used to redeem premium rewards from partner establishments. So if you're someone who shops and travels a lot and you like maximizing rewards, this could be another good card to consider. Of course, kailangan din natin pag-usapan ang fee. So as mentioned earlier, the annual membership fee is free. It's waived perpetually for both the main card or the principal card and the supplementary cards. The interest charge is 3% per month or 36% effective rate annually. Cash advance service fee and interest charge. 200 pesos per cash advance availment, 3% interest charge imposed on the cash advance amount and cash advance service fee. Late payment charge, 1,500 or the unpaid minimum payment due, whichever is lower. Over credit card limit fee, 500 pesos when the outstanding balance exceeds the prescribed credit limit within the billing period. So is the Eastwest Platinum Mastercard worth it? If you're a frequent traveler and you love exclusive deals, or if you're someone who values concierge services, this card is definitely for you. However, if you mostly shop online or locally and don't really need travel insurance and VIP services, then a card with higher cashback may suit you better. For good cashback cards, check out these videos. And that's it. I hope I helped you learn about the Eastwest Platinum Mastercard. If you have any questions about this video, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to these. Thank you guys. Bye!